This international competition was developed with the aim of improving and increasing user experience and loyalty, and to deseasonalize Andorra's tourism and sports offer. We want to make available all the necessary tools in order to become more innovative.
Congratulations, all the winners. It was the amazing competition where we can see new solutions in winter sport, cycling and mountain sport. I hope in the next few months we can share new pilot and initiative in collaboration with Actua and Andorra government.
Dear GSIC, dear Andorra team, thank you very much for having us at your startup competition. We at Snow 51 strongly believe that areas depending on winter sports do not need incremental innovations, but they do need radical new solutions. And we need to ensure that the first-time experiences on snow are as much fun as possible. And we are very happy to contribute to alpine skiing in Andorra.
Hello, I'm Nicolas, founder and CEO of Moonbikes. We are so happy to win the Andorra Sport Challenge. So this is my team. And this is our Moonbikes. So thank you very much for your support. This prize is very important for us. We are very proud to win this prize. So thank you again.
Hi, this is Andres from Sherpa. We are so excited to have been selected amongst the 3 winners at the Andorra Sports Startup Challenge. I'd like to thank the jury, Actua, and GSIC and Microsoft for the opportunity, and of course the Sherpa team for all the effort. See you soon, Andorra.
It has been a pleasure to participate as a member of the jury. 10 exciting, innovative, ambitious but at the same time down-to-earth projects in order to enhance the excellence and positioning of Andorra.
Congratulate the 10 finalists for the quality and good level of the projects.
I wish that most of the startups will succeed, and hopefully maybe some of them will be somehow linked to the Principality of Andorra.
It has been an amazing experience, and I think that these projects will be essential for Andorra's future sustainable development.